You're welcome to Study Guide Forum, and this time around we're going to look at the question that we have here. The question says a heater max 60 watts vaporizes 6 grams 6 grams of boiling water in 1 minute. What is the specific latent heat of vaporization of the water in joule per kg? So what we're going to do here is that the question said that we should find the specific latent heat, and we know to solve the problem, we know that quantity of heat is equal to mass times L, which is this one is the specific latent heat, and the quantity of heat, the mass in this case is equal to 6 grams, which is the same thing as 0.006 kg, and our quantity of heat is equal to, okay, let's say the mass, the power, the rating of the heater is 60 watts. Time is 1 minute. Time is 1 minute, and we know that to get the quantity of heat, what we do here is quantity of heat is equal to power, watts, 60 times 1 times 60. That means converting this to 2 minutes, converting the 1 minute to what? 60 seconds. So when we multiply that, we have 36 joule, 3,600 joules. That is what we have. And now to get the latent heat will be joules equal to mass 0.006 times L, which is the latent heat. Then, making L the subject of the formula, we have that will give us, when we cancel out, we have 6 times 10 raised to the power 5 joule K as a final answer. That means the specific latent heat of vaporization of water is 6 times 10 raised to the power 5 joule per Kelvin. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much.